how to tune up this auto booster pump. First, take out the cover of the pressure switch, and then using the flat screw, turn this to the right, and then after turning it right, if you hear an on off sound from this pump, try to move it backwards, try to turn it left until you adjust it in the perfect tune. If the faucet is running, your pump must be working, and if the faucet is turned off, the pump should be automatically shut down. That's how to tune an auto booster pump.